Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best homemade pineapple jams or pineapple filling. This is a perfect making pineapple tart, pie as well as a spread on toast, biscuit and scone. All you need are only 3 ingredients for this recipe. First step, we're gonna cut fresh pineapples. Cut off the crown and base of each pineapple, slice off the skin and cut out the eye spots. And then we gonna cut the pineapple and remove the core and also cut to be the little pieces of the pineapples. If you don't use the blender, you can cut to be the little pieces like this and then go to cooking. But for today, I will need to use the blender is make is the finely pineapple jams. And now just use the blender until it's the mushy, about 10 seconds or 15 seconds. And then we gonna remove some of the water, the pineapple water out. This one will help to reduce the time when we cooking the pineapple jams. And then you can also drink the pineapple water from this. And then we put in our pan and we'll continue to cook with the low heat. And this one is the pineapple juice that will remain from the pineapples. And then we're gonna add the sugar. Today we use brown sugar to make the color is more brown. And also you can just use the normal sugar. It will make the pineapple jams to be the yellow. This one we use for 200 gram with the big of the pineapples, but you can taste or reduce the sweetness depend with the how sweet of the pineapple that you have. And also add a bit of salt to make it more tasty. And in the beginning you can use the medium heat with all the juice, a gentle boil over medium heat, and then continue to simmer for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. When our jam is more thicker, and then we continue to stirring. And the jam is very thick and dry to the point where you cannot see any liquid or syrup at the bottom of the pan. This one is ready. And now it's ready. You can use for filling the biscuit, cookies, or also the tart as you like. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.